Picture us rolling in a roach, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kat. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kathy, but you could call me Kat. So today's video we're gonna be doing a hair glue review. Now this product is something that everybody's literally raving about, so I was like, you know what, let me go purchase this thing. And mind you, this glue is always sold out, always. So this is the Ericka's J Hold Me Down Adhesive Lace Glue, and I heard this is the best glue in the market. I don't know, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what we like about it, what we don't like about it. So right here I'm doing like a comparison. So this glue is extremely really small, and I thought it was gonna be like the same size as the regular standard size that Bow Hold is and Ghost Bond, but no guys, it's really small. So I had to definitely include that inside this clip because I know a lot of people might think it's like a standard size, but no, it's really small. So yeah, that's a bummer. Anyways, we're not gonna really talk too much. Like, I really want y'all to like get into the glue. So here I'm applying this glue literally around my front of my line. I honestly guys, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just applying it just like how Ericka J tells us to apply it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie y'all, I did not use all her products because I think she said to like for you to really get a good hold of her products, you have to buy the lace grip. I think it's called lace grip or lace guard, and the I think that's it. I don't know, but I didn't purchase that because I really never use it. So I was just like, I'm not gonna really use it. But I used what is that thing that I used in the beginning? Sorry guys, I'm like all over the place. Oh, so I used the Asia lace primer. If you guys watched my other video, you'll know what I'm talking about if you watched my previous video. So I just literally used that glue. So here I'm just like applying the glue all over my hair and everything. I know that I mentioned that this bottle is really small, but she does has a bigger bottle. I think I have the travel size. I'm not sure if she labeled that as a travel size, but I do have the smaller bottle. But if you want more glue, she does have like a way bigger bottle, like it's really big. So I think that's pretty good. Like, she has a small one and she has a big one, so good job with that. So honestly guys, this video might just be all over the place because this video is actually very old. Well, it's not really old, it's like a month old, and I didn't have much space on my SD card, and I was just like, let me just hurry up and edit this video so I could delete everything off my SD card. So yeah guys, this editing is not really like, I did not take my time with this editing. I just really want to just put this video out for you guys. It's really me just trying out this glue for the first time and everything, and how I'm applying it. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, dang girl, why you putting so much glue? Because Ericka J told us to put so much glue. I'm just kidding, but nah, she tells us to put like a long width or length. Yeah, length. So I've been doing that method for not only with her glue but with Bow Hold, and it really made my glue like way much longer. So definitely use that method that she talks about. Like, go watch her videos, and she has plenty of videos how to install your lace fronts and stuff like that. She's very educated with all that stuff. Like, she really be doing it. And with my lace wig, and I've been using this lace wig a lot. Like, this is literally like my 4th installation with this wig, and this wig is from MyFirstWig. Watch all my old videos and you guys would like get more information about this wig. Of course, I'll leave everything down below. This wig is like my favorite. It's really good. So if you guys really want some durable, cheap wig, like, I suggest you guys to really purchase MyFirstWig, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm really not, there's no point of lying. Like, I've installed this wig plenty of times on my channel. So yeah, this wig is really, really dope. Like, it's really good. But while I'm installing this hair and while you guys are watching, so I want to just talk to you guys about my new business that will be coming out very, very, very soon. So definitely like around September-ish, I'll be launching my next business. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I've never really thought I was going to be in this position where I'll be launching something, but I'm so excited, and I think a lot of you guys would really, really like it. Like, I really think y'all would like it. I will not tell you guys what it is in this video, but I just want to give you guys, like, I just want to like state certain things that really be pissing me off, honestly. So you know, this whole Black Lives Matter thing that was happening, like, you know, 2 months ago. And it really taught me how to really watch where you're spending your money. Again, if you guys are like up to date with my videos, and I did my fashion haul from Saint's Boutique. Yeah, I think that's what's called. Saint's Boutique. And I stated that, you know, it's very important to really invest your money. I wouldn't necessarily say with only Black small businesses, but just really watch where you're spending your money to brands. It really pisses me off where like people would rather spend thousands of dollars on like white-owned brands, you know, like Versace, Louis Vuitton, YSL. Like, they spend bands on these bigger brands, but like, when you're coming out with like just a little small business that's at least most $100, or, you know, something $50, it's an issue. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I hate that. Like, I really hate that. So like, I'm definitely gonna be putting out more videos about my business, like on why I'm starting it and how I started it and all that stuff. I just want to just keep reminding you guys that I will be dropping a business. So please, I really support me. You know, it would really like make me happy. Again, I will be doing a more detailed video about more about that brand. So yeah, let's go back in topic with this hair. So right here, I'm just I'm applying my band, and this is the same band that people use to like secure their wigs and stuff like that. Y'all, this is a good trick. Like, it would literally like melt your lace. Like, look at this, just watch. Melted, y'all. I was so happy, and I started dancing. Like, I've never really got a glue to work like this good, y'all. I'm over here dancing. Yeah, I was so excited because it was not perfect. Like, as you can tell, like, it's just a little white, but I do not think it was because of the glue. It's completely not because of the glue. It's definitely like me. I just need to learn how to really like apply the glue and stuff, but it's not the glue. The glue is really amazing. Like, y'all see this, it's really melting my frontal and everything. So yeah, guys, my opinion with this glue is definitely A1. Again, I can't really give you guys a full review, like my opinion, but I'm just basing it off from what the video is kind of seeming like, because I do not have her entire product. And she said, you know, if you just only use the glue, you're not really gonna get like a good 100% good hold and a better, you know, look. So I do suggest you to really buy out all her products, because, you know, that's what she made it for. So, but so far I really like the glue. Like, I really like it. So here I'm just, you know, removing certain parts to like start my edges and stuff, and I'm like parting my middle hair, like I'm parting my part in the middle. And I didn't have any comb, like any rat tail comb, so I'm just using like my edgy brush. Y'all, ghetto, right? Ghetto. But I mean, we did what we did, and it was cute, you know? So yeah, I'm just parting my edges and stuff. And I use the foaming method instead of like the glue to get that more natural look and stuff. And I really, really love that natural look. So, I think that's really it, y'all. Like, that's really it. The glue is amazing. If that's what y'all came here for, it's good. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, especially Instagram, so you guys could really like get updated with, you know, what's going on and everything. And, you know, again, with my business, I will be putting out a video. Chill out. It's coming. I swear to God, it's coming. Oh, girl, I was not supposed to swear. I'm sorry, God. But I promise it's coming. Trust me. I know I be telling y'all other things and I probably be forgetting, but this one is really coming. Like, this video is really coming about my brand, and it's really coming. And I can't wait to really like tell you guys what I really been working on. I'm so excited. Yeah. So don't forget to follow me, guys, for real. Like, you know, I really want the support. Like, I really want to grow on YouTube. We're almost close. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna skid out of here, and you guys just watch the end result. The video is about to end, and you know, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you guys learn a little bit. You know, it wasn't really like a tutorial. It was just me applying Ericka's J, you know, my opinion about it. But other than that, guys, bye.